Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Jolly Jaws, a smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. So first let's get started by drawing in the right arm above the face. So we're going to start further down and we're going to curve this line around and then up towards the top. We'll start in the corner now and we're going to curve this line around and then down. Let's frame in the face underneath first. So coming over towards the middle for the nose, we're going to arch this line around and then up. Closing off the mouth on the top, we're going to arch this line over and out. And then moving over to the left, we're going to curve this line up and then down. Let's close off the bottom of the mouth now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then moving over towards the bottom, we're going to curve this line back, around, and then in. For the tongue in the center, we're going to curve this line over. And then to the left of that, we're going to arch that around and then down. Let's draw on the eye now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then up. Above this now, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the arm. We'll flip over on the left-hand side now, and we're going to curve this line all the way around and then up on the left. And then we're going to arch this line up and then down on the right. In the center now, we're going to draw in two ovals for the highlight of the eye. For the top of the head now, on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line up. And then starting on the top there, we're going to curve that around and then down. Now in the middle, we're going to curve a small line that comes across. To the left of this for the cheek now, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that over and in underneath our mouth. And then flipping over to the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, blending that in on the bottom. On the top now, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then we'll draw in our left eyebrow, arching this line up and then down. Let's draw the boy in the middle for the necklace. So we're going to draw in a small circle. Moving around this now, we're going to draw an even bigger circle. On the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. We'll do the same thing over on the right. We'll come down, we'll draw another diagonal line, and then coming across, we'll replicate that. For the torso now, coming in towards the top, we're going to draw in a curved line that arches down. And then for the stomach, we're going to continue to extend that around and then in. Closing off the necklace, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up. To the right of this, we're going to arch this line around and then in, ending that at roughly the same height. And now let's frame in the rest of the arms. On the inside, we're going to curve this line in from the corner. Starting on the top, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then from this line, we're going to curve this line out, bringing that in towards the side of the body. Let's start on the top now, and we're going to curve this line around and then down. In the middle now, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the top. Let's move down now for the legs. On the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line down. We'll move over towards the inside, curving this line out. We're going to connect this together with a nice big circle. On the top, we're going to close this off with a curved line from top to bottom. And then in the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. To the left of this, we're going to curve this line around and then down. On the bottom, we're going to curve this line out. And then closing out the foot, we're just going to extend this through and then up. And then we're going to curve this line around and then out. For our left arm now, on the top, we're going to curve this line over and out towards the side of our page. And then starting in the corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in towards the torso. We're gonna curve this line around, bringing that further down on the bottom. And now lastly, let's draw in the tail. So on the top, we're just gonna curve this line over and then out. Moving in towards the middle on the bottom, we're gonna curve that over and then back up. On the top, we're gonna curve this line out towards the right. We'll do the same on the bottom. Starting on the top, we're gonna curve this line in, out, back in the center. And then to the right of this, we're gonna curve this in, out, and then back in the center. And that is it. That's how you draw Jolly Jaws, a smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.